guess who's biking around with a little kitty? Did he say hi? I don't know if he said hi, but we're gonna bike. I don't know where. Jomer's over there setting up. There's Loki. How does he look?
How far do you want to go?
30 minutes?
Yeah, but then after where? We're gonna go backwards again.
No, we'll just go back. We'll go keep going up.
Uphill.
Okay, we'll go somewhere. I don't know, Jomer LaFrances.
32 out. Hopefully it doesn't jump.
He has a thing on him. Okay, I will.
He jumped out on me before.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, and then he was just hanging.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Bubba, go back in. I would take a video of you, but I can't. We're going this way? Which way?
Me, I'm just a follower.
Hey guys, editing Jerica here. I didn't realize that the gimbal would be so bad on camera, so my bad. I'm still gonna try to salvage any footage. Thanks.
Oh, it wasn't closed. It wasn't closed.
That's it right in the middle of the
Road?
middle of the street on Bathurst.
Oh my gosh. We just finished a meal at McDonald's and Mr. Loki is a little scared. So we're gonna get home. Our 9-minute bike ride ended up being 22 minutes because of me. That's okay. What can you do? Whoa! Whoa, that was too much.
I just looked behind me and there was a big bus.
I didn't realize either. Why do your brakes sound like that? Is it okay?
The horn. I think it was rusty.
Oh, it's rusty?
That's really bad. Yeah.
I know, baby. Why am I dying right now? I love biking. Almost there. Can we make a left here? Nope. Nope. Looky, if that's poop, let's go. Yeah, I know. Disgusting.